Okay, so today I had to replace the fan motor, and actually we couldn't get it till the 3rd of May, a new motor. So I put a new used one in up here. You can hear it running. It's cooling now. It's a very hot day today, 89 degrees. This one is 26 years old. The motor was replaced. I think Douglas replaced it 10 years ago, so the motor got 10 years. A lot of... we couldn't get the other part new till the 3rd. So now it's cooling right here. Trisha didn't even lock the door. She just walked out. She never locks the door. So there is the old one, which still has good parts. All of these different components were replaced once before. I have old, not the old parts up here from when I got here in 2007. The relay was off, so we got everything here plus some spare parts. And I'm going to throw this other unit up into the attic. Motor's bad, that's it. And the motor was $88. The used Rheem air handler was $75 used. So I think you'd be able to get a motor quicker than by May 3rd.